Alright, hello everyone. So today's video is going to be a little bit different, and I'm using multiple tools today. I'm using a recorder for screen capturing of me, and I'm also recording the screen. And today I thought I'd go on and try and show you guys how I make a emergency alert system mock. Now keep in mind that this is just for entertainment use only. I am not responsible for accidental activations of the emergency alert system if you try to broadcast this over the radio waves or other media. But I'll go on and show you guys my personal way of creating an emergency alert system mock, and I'll go on and open a couple of tools that I need. First tool is right here, which you've already seen, Debut, which is for screen capturing. This is just for today. If you want to do tutorials, you can use this program. It's free on the Windows 10 App Store. It's by SCH Software, and then the other program I'm using is a video recorder. I'll show you on Windows here. Just type in Screen Recorder on Windows, and it's Screen Recorder Plus, and you have to use both these tools in order to properly work with video recording. It's a little extra, just to help you out, but to actually start making the mock, here's the tools we're going to need today. You're going to want to have eSoft video converter. That's something you can download off the nets. Most of these tools, like all of them actually, you can download free of charge. You just got to look for them. Next tool you're going to want to need is Audacity. Bandicam for screen recording if you're going to be using this tool here, Emergency Alert System Generator. Now, I can't get Emergency Alert System Generator to work with my computer. I'm missing some sort of tool. I don't know what it is, but you can't use that. And then for text-to-speech, you're going to want to get next up ScanSoft RealSpeak TTS Tom 24K. This just allows you to use a voice that sounds like the National Weather Service. You're also going to want to have this app. It's called ttsapp.exe. We'll go on and open it and take a look at it. It's a pretty simple program. I have a lot of voices installed. But the tool we'll probably use a lot on the voice is either VW Paul, which is right here. I'll type something in. So this is the new TTS voice they use for the National Weather Service. So
this is a test of the emergency alert system.
Now to add a crackling sound, you'll want to add the 8-bit mono, which will make it more staticky.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
And then if you want to use the old Tom voice, you can use the program that I have here, the 22K.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
So that's where you enter the, well, you can either enter the information for the EAS mock into that directly, or what I use, I go to Notepad, and I create a text format. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make an example as if we were going to be making a mock, and I will upload this simplistic mock. It's going to be real short, guys, but you're at least getting an idea of how this was created before I upload it. But let's say that there's a severe thunderstorm in the area, so I'm going to actually open one of my old NOAA weather radio documents under this program, Phonics 6.1 program. This is another program you can use for text-to-speech, but I use it for just storage right now. So let's go to severe thunderstorm 1.txt. As you can see, it's entered in right here. And once you enter in your text, you go back over to TTS app, you open the file, you generate it. This is always a pain, trying to find all the files. Severe thunderstorm 1. So you'll open severe thunderstorm 1 right here. Open it. You'll make sure you listen to it, make sure it's
the National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for.
So what we can do is we can change the speed of the voice, which I kind of tone it down just a touch, otherwise it's a little too fast. But
the National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma. Western Ocmulgee County in
So
North.
once you're satisfied with how it sounds, you'll click Save to Wave. And I've already saved this once before, but since I deleted that WAV file, we'll go on and put it in the slot that we need. Just a second. And it's WAV successful. And we'll go over to this program. You're going to have to download, most of these programs you're going to have to download off the nets. Windows Movie Maker 2.6 is the program I use for the visuals. But when you open that up, it'll come right up once it opens. And I'm going to move my camera person over here, myself over here. Hi. So I'm going to put it right here, just for the moment. We can make this box larger, but we're just going to put it right there for the moment. So what you're going to want to do is I'm going to go to, I think it's Collections. Yes. So for Collections, you're going to want to open that up. That's the first tool you're going to want to open. And to download this setup, I created custom header tones for my mocks, which I can easily link the source code to. But what you're going to want to do is to get a National Weather Service sounding header tone. You're going to go to google.com. Go to google.com. Any day now, computer. Go to EAS Creator, download. And you're going to go to this site right here, which I'll link in the description. I believe this may be the one that the EAS experience. You can use this. This will give you some other tools, so I'll link this in the description box below with the other tools, but that's not what I'm looking for. What we're looking for is this one here, which I'll drop in the description as well. So you'll go to Downloads, and you'll see there's TV Open Edit, TV End Edit, EAS Creator 3.0. I can't get that to work on Windows 10. I don't know what the deal is. I guess compatibility isn't good anymore, like it's missing directory listings, or the compatibility was just corrupted, so I can't use that program. That's why I use 2.6 from Windows XP. But you'll want all of these tools. If you want to try and work with the EAS version 3.0, you can give it a try. Maybe it'll work on your computer. Mine just doesn't cooperate with it. But make sure you download all of that, and then you can import it to your system by going to Import Audio or Music. And I'm going to do my specialty one, which is, I believe, on the desktop. Let me look. Let me see, is it Noah? Yep, Noah Open, Noah Close. So you want to do Open, Noah Open. And this is a custom one. I'll link the source video that I use this header tone from in the description below as well. But once you hook that up, I'm going to move my camera again, move that to the side. You'll want to, now this is with Windows 10. I don't know why this is the way they designed it in Windows, or like why the compatibility is so whack. It's just the way it is. But what you want to do, you want to go to Pictures and use Microsoft Paint. I've already done this. You go to Microsoft Paint and you create a black screen. Just completely use the paint can and just, create a black template. So we'll open the blank template here. Okay. So open the blank template and this is just for a short split second. You'll do a split second of black, like as if the screen's coming up. You can make it as short as you want. I'm just letting you know. Then what we'll do is we'll go to Paint again. And we'll create a splash screen. Whatever color splash screen you want, it doesn't matter. But on this particular mock scenario, what we're going to do is we're going to take it, paint it dark blue, like a really dark blue. Let's see if I can do that better. That's not quite what I want. That might work. Add custom color. That works. So have a blank background, then you'll take your text editor, and said undo. Delete. Always something, guys. Test. Yeah, so you're gonna make it white letters, so I'm just gonna test just to get it out of my hair. Oh, come on. Yeah, I know, view, home. Now, undo. So, well, we'll crop it and make it large enough for the text to come across. And what you're going to want to do is make it a white letter. We'll do text, view, no, come on. Come on, baby. We'll just make the box large so we can play with it easily. Now, you'll want to make a font that looks similar to the emergency alert system. We'll try and find one that at least looks close to it. So let's do test. That looks simple enough, so we'll do emergency alert system. And we'll make sure it looks flat, lined up. So we'll do un, and we'll bring that over. An emergency alert system participant. Well, we'll do an emergency alert system service. Has issued on. We'll go right here. It's either an or an a, so it just depends on your taste. You can do an or a, whichever works for you. And then afterwards, you enter the text in bold. And then take the bold off, 4. Go underneath it and type 4. And go back up here and just push that over. There we go. So what's going to happen is after you do that, the mock, you know, when we created that text on the notepad, so we'll save this as an emergency alert system. Uh-oh, my camera disappeared. Well, you're still there, but you can't see me. Put me back. There we go. So we'll put it under desktop and we'll do severe thunderstorm. Me and this keyboard, I tell you. So, what's going to happen is when you do that, take this, paste the picture, like so, desktop, just locate the picture you're looking for. Spread it all the way across the screen. Continue it on to the audio. So what you want to do is find that mock that you're looking for, which is Severe Thunderstorm 1. Let's see if I can type that in. Oh, it was in the Phonics 6.1. That's correct. Excuse me, guys. So Severe Thunderstorm 1. Paste it right here. Drag it across. Move this. Paste the end tone, which is in audio. Go back to desktop. No one. Oops. Yeah, I know it's not found. No, close, not MP3. Now make sure that the file is either MP3, WAV, or WMV. If you use MP4 and above, it's not going to be compatible with 2.6, so keep that in mind. So, after we've got that, I'll go on and move this out of the way. And once we got that, you'll notice we're going to start it from the beginning. Oops. So we'll start from the beginning, and you'll see by me clicking start on here. Hopefully the video card will pick it up. So that's what it looks like right now. But we need the information ticker on the bottom. So what we'll do is we'll go back to here. I'll open the text document. We'll copy all of this. Make sure you do not cut it, just copy. Oops. So you just copy like so, copy. And then go to titles on selected clip. On the selected clip, change the title animation. And if you can, go back to Paint and find out what the name of that skin of, it's Consolus. So you want to make sure you match the text with the font. So we'll go to about right here where the ticker tape should start. Ticker tape, let's see. So you'll want to make it like that, and you want to change the font color to whatever it's supposed to be. So we have it added, and it's not complete, but it's close enough. So what you can do is once it completes that, you can go from where you left off and add the second portion. So edit the font and color. So what did we say the font was? Let's confirm it again. Consolus. We'll go to Consolus. Add that in, and we'll do blue just like the ticker tape was. So it may be a little off, and then you want to make that as small as possible. Done, and add video. And we'll go to the beginning portion of this, just so it's long enough so you can see the message. And once you do that, when you do this, click. Now it'll look more fluid when you finish publishing the video, but because I have multiple tasks running at once, it will glitch like this.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma, western Okmulgee County in northeastern Oklahoma, Okfuskee County in east central Oklahoma, until 10:30 p.m. CDT at 9:36 p.m. CDT.
You can save it to where the header tone finishes, and you can't finish the text. The editor has a picky amount of time doing it, but what we could do is that the text will be read as soon as the
National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma, western Okmulgee County in northeastern Oklahoma, Okfuskee County in east central Oklahoma, until 10:30 p.m. CDT at 9:36 p.m. CDT. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 2 miles southwest of Cushing to 2 miles northwest of Seminole, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 0.60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Bristow, Acoma, Sapulpa, Okfuskee, Henrietta, Drumright, Beggs, Bali, Kellerville, Wilitka, Depew, Patton.
So you pretty much get the idea that once it completes, what you can do is if it just says severe thunderstorm warning and you have that ticker tape, you drag this to the end, you complete the mock, then you put another black screen, just a short one, just to make it look like the TV is returning to normal programming, and then you can add like a TV commercial, I don't know, whatever you feel like you want to add to the mock, and you can then add like a time card of the next time a mock comes up. So that's pretty much how I create one. It's not too difficult, but it's difficult enough. So if you found this video helpful, I will link all the products that I use in the description. If I remember to grab everything. If I forget to grab any tools that I've mentioned in this video, just leave a comment down below, and I'll try and drop a link in the comment section. But I'll also upload this little mock here and share it as my first experimental mock with version 2.6. So If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Catch you next time.